My time is up. Your time is now. 16-time world champion and WWE superstar, maybe Hall of Famer, John Cena announces his retirement from in-ring competition. Earlier today, during the Money in the Bank Premium Live event, John Cena announced that in 2025, that will be his last year with the WWE, appearing in the Royal Rumble, Elimination Chamber, and WrestleMania 41 in Las Vegas. So for today's video, papag-usapan natin ang naging career ni John Cena sa WWE, how he transpired to being an icon, maybe future Hall of Famer, tapos how he inspired the youth. Personally, siya rin yung naging childhood hero ko noon. I idolized him. I have like 2 t-shirts of him sa closet, yung 20-year anniversary niya, tapos yung 16 championships niya. So, papag-usapan natin sa video na to kung ano yung mga naging accomplishments niya and how he deserves to be in the Hall of Fame one day. So, abangan. During the 2024 Money in the Bank pay-per-view, John Cena announced during a segment that in 2025, it will be his last run with the WWE, appearing in the Royal Rumble, Elimination Chamber, and in Las Vegas in WrestleMania 41. The majority of the people who watch wrestling, they considered Cena as their childhood hero and inspired them to do what is right and to never give up with things. In his run with the WWE, John Cena won the WWE Championship 13 times in his career, the World Heavyweight Championship 3 times, tying Ric Flair. If you add the WWE Championship and World Heavyweight Championship, that will be 16. The United States Championship 5 times, the WWE Tag Team Championship 2 times, the World Tag Team Championship also 2 times. He has also won the Money in the Bank contract in 2012, though failing his cash-in against CM Punk. He has also won the Royal Rumble in 2008 and 2013, and won the Slammy Award 10 times. Sa Pro Wrestling Illustrated naman, nanalo siya ng Feud of the Year in 2006 with Edge, Feud of the Year in 2011 with CM Punk, Match of the Year in 2007 with Shawn Michaels on Raw, Match of the Year in 2011 with CM Punk at Money in the Bank, Match of the Year in 2013 with Daniel Bryan at SummerSlam, Match of the Year in 2014 versus Bray Wyatt, rest in peace, in a last man standing match at Payback, Match of the Year in 2016 with AJ Styles, the phenomenal one, at SummerSlam, Most Improved Wrestler in 2003, Most Popular Wrestler of the Decade 2000-2009, Most Popular Wrestler of the Year 2004, 2005, 2007, and 2012, Wrestler of the Year 2006-2007, and ranked number 1 of the top 500 singles wrestlers in the Pro Wrestling Illustrated 500 in 2006, 7, and 2013. Para sa akin, my favorite feud of John Cena is against Randy Orton. Syempre, bakit hindi? Like, those two really shaped my childhood. Like, going back and forth with the championship. Their rivalry talaga during 2009, 2010 really, has a special place in all our hearts. Pwede rin yung feud niya with Edge and CM Punk, but the one that stands out the most is Randy Orton. Okay, so bale may papakita muna ako sa inyo yung dalawa kong t-shirts ni John Cena bago ko matapos. So, eto, wait lang. So, bale, this t-shirt, ito yung sinuot ni John Cena nung SummerSlam 2021 when he faced off against Roman Reigns, though losing. So, ito siya. Like, dito rin sa likod, nakikita niyo yung championships ni John Cena throughout his career. Like, from the undisputed to the new championships. Meron din nakalagay kasi dito na, sorry. Meron din nakalagay na you can see me dito. Then, sa kabila, basta Hustle, Loyalty, Respect Limited Edition siya. Unfortunately, hindi ko mahanap yung isa ko pang t-shirt, yung 20-year anniversary ni John Cena. Pero I have pictures of it. So, They'll be appearing on the screen about right now, so take a hard look. Medyo maganda siya, maganda yung quality nun. So, sulit talaga. I also have plans to buy the last t-shirt of John Cena, yung The Last Time Is Now. I believe it's online. It's available na. So, I have plans na bilhin yon. But overall, a truly remarkable career for Cena. Congratulations on retirement, and I hope you enjoy it. You really inspired a lot of people, and your accomplishments and achievements have really paid off. You can't see me. But that will be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave your opinions or comments in the comment section below about what's your favorite moment or favorite experience of John Cena's career that really has a special place in your heart. That would be very much appreciated. So, yun naman na para sa akin. Once again, hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.